I was more than happy to meet again the President, my good friend, Mr. Busuttil, and first of all to express our thanks on behalf of the whole family for his hospitality in this beautiful country. You know, I'm a very frequent traveler and visitor of Malta. I love this place. But beyond that, we had the opportunity to exchange some views on the future of Europe, but also on the future of our big political family. The President is one of the most well-known politicians at a European level. He's been very active in the past and productive in his capacity as MEP, but now as President of the party. He is one of the main players within the family of EPP for the future of our ideas and of our political group. I would like to wish him good luck in his future endeavors, and to tell him once again that he can always count on our support and on my friendship.